The worst bathroom design mistakes and how to fix them. Designing a bathroom is a complex task that requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure functionality and aesthetics. However, certain mistakes in bathroom design can lead to discomfort, inconvenience, and costly repairs down the line. In this guide, we will explore the most common bathroom design mistakes and provide practical solutions to fix them. 1. Poor location in the house. If you're starting from scratch, consider where you want your bathroom to be located in the house to provide seclusion and good sight lines. 2. Poor fixture placement. When it comes to placement, your bathroom fixtures are no exception. If you have the opportunity to change your existing floor plan, choose a configuration that maximizes available space while taking sightlines from surrounding rooms into mind. 3. Cutting corners on storage and counter space. A freshly built bathroom with little counter or storage space is unpleasant since bathroom clutter is not visually appealing, especially if you have a lot of products and bath items. 4. Bad ventilation. When a bathroom is improperly vented, it is not only unpleasant to be in, but the residual humidity can lead to condensation buildup in cabinets. Mildew on toothbrushes can be so unhealthy, which deteriorates paint and promotes mold growth on bathroom surfaces. 5. Installing fixtures that aren't compatible with your home. Most people like the thought of a long soothing soak in a soaker tub or an invigorating steam shower, but if your home can't handle these systems, you won't be able to enjoy them. 6. Improper waterproofing. Another thing which can cause major problems down the line like mildew that are costly to address and can cause chaos in other water system areas of the house is inadequate bathroom waterproofing. 7. Not consulting with a professional designer. A bathroom redesign may appear to be a simple task, but it is not always the case, especially if you want to change your present floor plan or add new fixtures to the mix to change the whole bathroom look. 8. Insufficient lighting. In bathroom design, achieving balance in lighting is crucial. This includes task lighting for activities like shaving, ambient lighting for overall atmosphere, accent lighting for focal points, and incorporating natural light sources such as windows or skylights along with LED strips. 9. Absorbent material selection. When you use improper materials in a bathroom, you risk water damage, mold, and slick surfaces. The area must be able to withstand dampness, traffic, and dirt without looking run down. 10. Lack of proper layout planning. The layout of a bathroom greatly influences its long-term functionality. A well-designed floor plan accommodates fixtures while also providing ample space for daily tasks. When planning the layout, homeowners should consider available space and the number of users. To conclude, rectifying the worst bathroom design mistakes involves thoughtful consideration of factors like location, fixture placement, storage, ventilation, lighting, material selection, and layout planning. Consulting with professionals and prioritizing functionality are key steps in achieving a well-designed and practical bathroom space.